Y'all always want to cry. Hey, Breon.
What's good?
Where you at?
Where Where you at?
I'm about to meet you somewhere.
All right, tell me where. Text me.
Oh, I didn't see. Did you text me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm about to see you. We about to meet. Where you want to do? Get a massage? No, at the massage place.
Not get a massage. What the fuck?
Or we could go. Well, I did say we was gonna go get food.
All right, bet we could do that.
Food where? Don't tell nobody. Hold on. Let me see. I'm about to see. I never said I was drinking. Royce, you trying to come? Pull up, Royce.
All right.
And no, I'm not drinking. I am not about to be in a relationship with Breon. Stop playing with me.
I'm weak.
I got my iPhone. I have found it.
Right. Look at y'all. Stop with that shit. Keep saying that shit.
I'm on my iPhone right now.
Oh, Royce, they trolling you. I don't know why they trolling you. Royce, can you meet up with us? Can you meet up with us? Real talk.
I got in a fight with the
Yeah.
police. I motor combat their ass, bitch.
Yeah. 21 gonna move in with me. It's all right. Wait.
On
What?
August
Why would you
3rd.
fight the police? Why would you fight the police?
Cause they was in the crib when I was asleep, and then they woke up, and then he gonna get on the intercom talking about some she's bleeding. Please come out here and check on her. And I was like, well, no, I'm on my period. Get out the house. And it was like, she said she's on her period. Can y'all please come check her out? I said, bitch. I started spinning around on their ass, whopping their ass.
Oh my god.
You like
You
steak,
crazy bitch. Yeah.
or you like Olive Garden?
Yeah, I like Olive Garden. That shit busting. All right, just hit me up and tell me where, okay?
All right,
All right, bet.
run it up on my cash thinking. I spent around like Tasmanian devil, bitch. Bitch, I was, ooh, mighty morphine on their ass. I say, bitch, get your ass up out of here, calling somebody on my period. I said, I wish you would, bitch. Let them come to the house. They did not pull up, them ambulance. Why it's so far away?